Okay, welcome to the Microsoft Excel Collegiate Challenge February 2026 round, and this time the Varsity case. In the Junior Varsity case, I somehow had an error. I was fast, okay, but I only had 94%. I hope I score full on Varsity. Otherwise, it is devastating. Anyways, therefore I do not know how much I will talk, but yeah. Okay. 30 minutes, let's go. Open. Bring my lambdas in. Yes, has worked. Substitute this against nothing. Item. Sum if s. Unit sold. Criteria range item. Criteria range color. Maybe I need to create a names based on this, but for now I keep it. Centered. Okay. Okay. Create names from here. Where was it? Haven't used this in a while. Create from selection. Top row. Date item unit sold. Sum if s. Unit sold. If date is smaller than this minus 4 and this minus 3. No, larger than this minus 4. So and date is smaller than this plus 4. Should be yes. Using the data, determine the unit sold during the number of days centered on the date view. Honestly, that's unfair. I don't have US number formats. Left 4. Then mid 5 3. And right 2. So 3, 8, 12, 11, 4, 10, 9, 5, 7, 2, 6. Date. X look. I'm too fast in typing. And you don't have to convert this into numbers. The date function will automatically know that. Really? Yeah, it is a date. automatically converges into dates, and then we can basically use this formula here and simply swap out on this. Okay, interesting. Yeah, no. This divided by 2, this divided by 2, and it's always unequal, so all this should work. Yes, I'm matching the hints. Sum the numbers. Okay. Extract type from selector symbol, and then it's right, no left, sorry, I mix up left and right sometimes. Is space also valued as, I don't know, we will see. And then substitute on this out against nothing, and then we can sum with text split. So this is basically giving every, this here minus minus, this lambda is basically giving every character it's what it is, so either number, uppercase letter, and so on, and then it is filtering based on what I want there. Okay, sounds good, looks good. Sum the numbers. Okay, I don't know if text split will work on this, but we will see. Okay, and then we use scan 0. This is our array lambda AB, A plus split text into letters array with special characters. This is using regex, and this is then concat xlookup our splitted stuff in here, returning this, and then if I don't use scan but reduce, I only get on the end. Yep, looks fine. Looks fine. Determine the unit sold for each of the. Do I want to data table this? Yeah, let's data table. Mesh data. It is at least, what is the mesh? 100 date, item, color, and unit sold. The first thing detection is unit sold. Okay, that's okay. I would not necessary text split, and then rep rows. I hope it's rep rows. I always mix them up. And then filter. Oh, first choose calls 3 and choose calls 4, and filter this if this equals silver, and then sum minus minus. Yes, yeah, okay. It was not necessary. I thought we have to split this and then filter some stuff based on the large table, but doesn't look like that. So yeah, I would not have to have this. It would not have been necessary to split this. Okay, looks good. Now bonus questions. What is the sum of the character codes of the unwanted characters? So code, or this is ambiguous. Unwanted characters in the word? No. Okay, sum of, so code gives you the Unicode, and then sum of this. That's at least my interpretation. How many transactions take place in March across all years? Each row represents a single transaction. Count if s. This will not work. Yeah, this will not work because it's then an array. Month of date, and no accessibility, and then count if s. Here 3. In the data type, what is the total units sold for the item with the most units sold? Equals group by item, unit sold, sum minus 2, and the total is given here for chips. What is the total units sold for the item color combination with the second to lowest total units sold? Item and color, and then group by based on this and those units sold, sum sort order 2, and second to lowest is sticks in indigo. Yes. In level 5, excluding the example, how many numbers of the 20x50 numbers include at least one 3? Do not double count more than one 3 in each number. What is 5? Okay, so basically I want to know how many 3s are in there. Text split for this, and then search for 3 within here, and sum minus is number 15. I would say exclude example, so 340. How many numbers of the include at least one 3? Do not double count more than, yeah. Okay, so let's upload. Hopefully this time we'll run 100%, but you never know. Varsity, yes, times matching. Let's see. 100%, yay! Don't know 15 minutes or 13 minutes if this is enough for number 1 in the ranking, but let's see. Thank you for your attention. I think next month is another round. Hope to see you there on my channel. Bye.